ABC Educational Channel.
Must and mustn't. Must is a most commonly used to express certainly. It can also be used to express necessity or strong recommendation. Example: this must be the right answer. You must study hard. Mustn't as abbreviation of must not can be used to prohibited actions. Example: you mustn't kick the ball when you play basketball. Here are some examples of must and mustn't. He must do his homework. Must. He must wear a helmet. Must. He mustn't sleep in class. Mustn't. You must stop here. Must. You mustn't cross the street now. Mustn't. He mustn't kick the ball. Mustn't. You mustn't touch the ball in your hands. Mustn't. Let's have a driving test. Answer with must or mustn't. You blank turn right. Mustn't. You mustn't turn right. You blank turn left. Must. You must turn left. You blank turn left. Mustn't. You mustn't turn left. You blank stop here. Must. You must stop here. You blank park here. Mustn't. You mustn't park here. You blank turn right. Must. You must turn right. You blank enter. Mustn't. You mustn't enter. You blank go ahead. Must. You must go ahead. You blank stop here. Mustn't. You mustn't stop here.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.